Hello, my name's Lee Stafford and I'm here at Newtown College. Today I'm going to do one of our classic recipes, the twisted tongue. So I'm going to share that recipe with the students, but also I want to inspire them, talk to them about the hair world and all the opportunities there are there for them. I'm going to tell you a little story before we start because it's very relevant. I started my hairdressing career in my mum's dining room and I cut hair there for the first 6 years of my craft without any education whatsoever. And my father kept saying to me, you can't cut hair in your mum's dining room all your life, son, and he was right. So I started to look for a little salon in my local area of Essex and then I panicked.
It's just been a brilliant presentation.
I thought it was absolutely amazing. Our tutors have taught us some of these techniques and they've shown us them, but actually seeing Lee doing them live was amazing.
I just wish someone would have told me what I'm about to tell you right now.
It's brilliant to be able to be working with him.
Whatever falls away, you don't need to worry about it.
It is a bit daunting coming back as a mature student, but it's something I've always wanted to do.
And hearing about his product lines and marketing yourself, it wasn't just about the actual hairdressing, it was just everything that goes with it, and I'm feeling really optimistic about my future.
MPTC Group of Colleges is still the only Lee Stafford Academy in Wales. They say it's the happiest profession you can be in, and they're right.